Welcome to SideSpur. In this tutorial, we're going to give you a brief introduction to creating and managing SideSpurs. As you can see on this dashboard form, you can create multiple spurs for multiple clients or sites. And to get started, you simply click Add SideSpur. You can preview the various templates, and this library is constantly growing. For this example, we will go with a contest template. You can preview it on your site. You click Customize the SideSpur, and you can edit the text directly within the WYSIWYG editor. If you're comfortable using HTML, you can switch over to an HTML view. It should be noted that you can dynamically create new form fields. You simply give them a name, and the form processing engine will automatically pick up that name and dynamically reconfigure the database to accept that data field. No dealing with data structures or any middle tier layers. It's as simple as that. SideSpur uses the Twitter Bootstrap framework. However, you can use any inline styling you want. In fact, you can insert any HTML into your SideSpur panel. A YouTube video, a Google map, or even an email sign-up form. And you can specify the confirmation message that appears after submission. You have control over the behavior of your SideSpur. Most importantly, you can target it to specific segments of visitors. You can have it automatically appear for first-time visitors, repeat visitors, after a certain number of seconds on your page, after a certain number of page visits, when they're looking at a particular element on the page, on mouse over, lots of choices there. And if you are pasting this into a site rather than a page, you can control which pages the SideSpur appears on, which is very useful for e-commerce. If you only wanted it to appear on a checkout page, you would specify that page here. You have total control over where the SideSpur is positioned on the screen. You can control the sizing, colors. You can specify the captions that appear. You can also be notified when a form is submitted. You simply specify a values tag. It will automatically insert the values of the submitted form along with some demographic information related to the IP address of the submitter. And you can also have it automatically send a confirmation email to the submitter. You simply specify which of the fields in your form is the email field and content of the email. Simple as that. You save it, and further down on the screen there is a preview panel. You can preview your work, and if you're happy with it, you generate an embed code. You would copy this and paste it into the body tag of your site or page. And you only need to do this once, and then any future updates to your spur are dynamically reflected on your site in real time. Going back to the dashboard page, you can view submitted data. You can actually edit the data, and it's important to note there is a private sharing link that if you're doing this on behalf of a client and want them to have access to the data directly, you can provide them with this link. You can export the data to a CSV or Excel format. You can clear out the data at any time. And you also can view activity on your site. If you're not using Google Analytics or some other tracking tool, this can be useful for seeing when users are coming to the site, where they're coming from, and where they're referred from. If you need further help, you can use the support tab or the live chat link at the bottom of the page. Best of luck with SideSpur. Bye-bye.